Okay, let's count how many bikers we cross. If we cross any, but usually on this road they cross a lot. People like going home now because this is a popular place to ride your bike. Like, it's nice. It has some has some good like curves and everything. Like, yeah. So here, yeah, let's go. Okay, I was going slow. Honestly, I was scared of taking that corner. So here, bam. You're going slow. Brake, 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 and then take it on the right. Okay. I was not going fast for that. Right. But look at that, guys. Look at this place. So yeah, speed 55. We're good. Come on, all light. Wow. 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 Okay. Gonna stop at the light. Okay. Turn green. Look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful place. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. 16 minutes. We're going to see Half Moon Bay Beach. Um. Alright. Some more windy roads coming up, but shouldn't be too bad. There you go. Right, right, right. Push, 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 push. Go here. Go left. Push, 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 push. Alright. 2 fingers down. So that guy just put 2 fingers down, put 2 fingers down. He had a bigger bike though. I think it was like some 500cc or 600cc. I couldn't tell, but it definitely looked bigger bike than mine. Okay. So this one, we had an object on the road that we didn't know what it was, but gonna lean more with the bike. Yeah, use some sharp corners, so brake, brake, brake. Then looking at the end of the corner again. Brake, right, right. So give myself space. Right, right, right. So I'm gonna drop a gear here. Whoa, God, foggy all of a sudden. By the way, guys, make sure you wear important gear. Like, this is what I've been hearing, and they're right. Like, I'm wearing, like, a jacket, wearing riding pants, riding boots, just making sure everything is good. You know, you can see the situation just like immediately changed. Like, In 2 seconds, it was sunny and clear, and now it's like all foggy and like hard to hard to see. So all these things could affect like your safety on the road, and especially if you don't have the right gear on, like it's not good. Like I never seen like honestly, this is the first time I passed by here where it's this foggy. Like usually it's sunny and clear, and you can see all the way. So I don't know what's happened today. Uh, yeah, look, it's a beautiful, gorgeous place. You know, beautiful, gorgeous place, but too bad it's a bit foggy. But yeah, so looking through all the way to the end of the corner, I can see the radius is tightening. So I'm leaning more and more and more. But I'm honestly very always like I'm not speeding, and I'm always like I'm not leaning a lot. So I just don't trust myself yet. Like I'm new to riding. I can't like try to like lean like super hard with the bike and like try to pull shit that I never did in like a closed environment, let alone on a road where there's other people. But look at how beautiful this mountain is. I'm saying beautiful a lot, man, but I don't know what other ways you can describe like the landscapes in California apart from this like beautiful, gorgeous, like it's like I think California is like your dream girl almost. Like like there is no words to describe how pretty it is. Like same thing. The girl you one day gonna marry, whatever. Like I hope you love her enough that you're like I can't describe how beautiful this person is. Like not just physically, but you know, personality wise, etc. Blah blah. Right. We're like 10 minutes out from our destination. Oh, the Ace Pro battery seems to be held up. I don't hear any warnings or anything. So we've been riding for almost like 40 minutes, shooting at 4K. I'll see how much percentage left in it, but you know, I guess on the way back we'll go through Pacifica, which is also another pretty spot in SF. Like it's right on obviously Pacific Ocean, and it just looks insane. It looks insane. It looks unreal. It looks insane. I don't know how else to describe it. You can also maybe stuff some food and gas. Yeah. I'm surprised. So far, we've seen only one motorcycle. Maybe because the weather is shit, so there's not a lot of people out today, or at least not as clear. It's not shit. It's just not as clear. But the temperature is perfect, at least for my liking. And we're like 7 minutes out. Like there is no point of like trying to speed. We're like almost there. Couple of miles. Some nice 1D roads. Coming up on some stoplight pretty shortly, and we're at Half Moon Bay, guys. We made it to Half Moon Bay. And sometimes you have to be careful. That's why you have to drive slow, because you see stuff like this, and you know that car probably didn't see me coming. Even they just fully committed to the turn, and whatever happens in the road, like it's on other people to slow down. Here, gonna come to a stop. I want to see. There is no one there, so should be able to go on the right. Either way, the light went green, so we're good. But usually on big intersection like that, even though it looked empty coming to the intersection, I like to slow down. I don't know what's coming. Know if someone is coming fast or not. Like I don't know the area well. People maybe don't usually stop here. Like you just don't know. So there's a lot of variables. You just want to be careful. Not overcautious, but just careful enough that you're like, okay, I'm not going to hit myself. Okay. Think I heard the warning from the camera, but we like literally 4 minutes away, so we should be good. Yeah, I can see it. There's a warning. I think the battery probably is having enough, so it's probably flashing, telling me the battery is going down. It's literally 3 minutes. Please, just hold on. Hopefully, I can hold on to the rest. So slow down. Alright, I should focus on the road. Okay, fuck the camera. But I just heard the warning, so I think, although this battery is fully charged, so I'm surprised. Honestly, the battery life doesn't seem that good. Because I was planning to like film for really long, like with these. Like I had some couple trips in mind. Like I really wanted like long form camera, but I know what this warning is. I don't know if it's battery or it might be. It could be also really like, could be like the space on the card, but the card also was empty. So, if I had to guess, I'm saying it's battery, but we'll see. We'll see what it says. But we're pulling on the turn I want to take like pretty shortly actually. You know, just want to show you that. Just want you to see that there. I'd be super sad if it dies before we get there. But this way is. So yeah, here you go. Prepare for the turn. Okay. So I'm gonna commit. And we're good. Honestly, I could have waited for those cars, but they were farther enough to commit for the turn. Yeah, we just made it. Yeah, I don't like the weather. It's super foggy. Like, I don't know what's happening today. Usually this place is just sunny and beautiful, you know, like, and like, like, think of it as like the best day of spring you ever seen. But it's not the case. And personally love stopping here. So you just freaking made it. I'll park the bike right here. It seems like it's fine. There you go. Alright guys. We made it. We freaking made it to Half Moon Bay. Although I must say the weather might be not the best today. We already picked the wrong weather. But look how beautiful this thing is. Imagine it's sunny, but it's still beautiful either way. Oh man, I love California. I love I can just take my fucking bike and do that, you know? Like, that's such a privilege. It do look a bit ridiculous with the camera on. So people keep staring, looking at me. But I guess that's how vloggers look. I guess, I don't know. Alright.